Hi, my name is Broderick Newton, and my partner is Kason Roney. We are from Grand River Technical School out in Chillicothe, Missouri. We wanted to make a game where players can jump into the mini worlds of the workforce and just experience other jobs. The reason why we chose Python out of all the code we could have used is Python is beginner friendly, and it's great for just learning how to make games and also just while making games itself. So for my code, I focus more on the menu, setting up the menu and level menu. So to start, I imported turtle, I added a clear statement variable. This is important for later down the line. I added other turtles we'll need to set up for like buttons and titles. I also set the menu background so it's like this. I also added the pictures we'll need later, setting the turtles to their pictures, and then hiding them so you can't see or click them. I added erase function. This erase function is similar, has another one that works like it, but this one is more universal. It can be used anytime. The other one has a condition. Next is the level menu. This pops up the level menu after you click space on the main menu, in which your buttons will appear. It also tells them where to go, hides them, shows them, and then allows them to be clicked. The update is important, as without it, they won't appear. Next is the erase menu. This was what I was talking about during the erase. This one specifically erases the menu, so I can set the clear statement to false, so they can't click the space button anymore. Down here, on key press, erase menu. So it just doesn't call the erase function itself in the level menu. We also have, next is the hide buttons function. This just hides all the buttons from the level menu. Then we have our level 1, 2, and 3 function. They don't really do too much right now for the moment, but as we work on the game, they will be added. More will be added to them.
Hello, my name is Kason, and I'm here partnered with Broderick, and we are making a game for this FBLA competition between two jobs. Currently, it is a bank teller and a firefighter, and so far my code is of the fire game. Broderick has shown you his, hopefully. My game is about taking a bucket and water and going from well to fire and back and forth in random spots. In my code, these are my turtles. I have Turt and I have Ren. Ren is meant for random use in my list later on for the fire's positioning. And Turtle is used for the diversity in like the pictures and everything. These are my variables. I have man, well, water, fire, and then WN screen. Then I have my WN BG pick for the background as a GIF or a picture, whatever you want to call it. And it allows me to have an actual background for my game instead of just having a blank screen. The line 15 allows the WN.addShape well GIF allows me to add GIFs as shapes for turtles, making it a picture instead of just a shape for turtles, allowing me to make better looking games and more advertised good looking games. And this is done throughout all my variables with fire, man, and water. Water be false is for a triggered used for the fire, and only so whenever it's true, the water bucket is the only thing that will be set to true, allowing it to take out the fire and not have no water and take out the fire because it doesn't make any sense. Because not how fire works. And this is my list. These are the positions of fire, but set in a list. And this variable under it allows me to pick at random. Anytime it is hit with the water bucket, it will randomly go to one of these spots, allowing it not to be the same exact game every single time ran. Tracer is an update and helps with the drag function right under it and these functions. This function allows my bucket to be dragged once clicked and held. It'll drag around anywhere where your cursor is going to. The in and out is the water bucket variable, allowing it whenever it hits the well at a certain distance, it'll change to the water bucket, making you able to take out the fires. And then once under here, fire out. When the water bucket hits the fire, it will switch positions. The fire will switch positions to one of the random lists positions I have set for it. And also, it'll change the water bucket to have no water, so you have to go back to the well before you can go to the next fire. Because no one has infinite water. And then these two allow me to loop it through multiple times rather than just running it once.